Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Flask. Today we are going to learn about how to run the Flask application in Python. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So this method we have already done this. So here you can see that we are able to run this application with the help of the Python, and this is your file name. Okay, next method that I'm going to use is like this: Flask run. If I try to copy this and just running this one, what will happen? It will say that Flask not found. I need to install this Python Flask. Okay, so let's install this one also. Okay, so let me add this. I think the password is wrong. Okay, so let's install this. Let's run the command Flask run. Now you can see that I'm able to run this application development server. Okay, the next one, that is Flask app run. You can, with the help of this also, you can run the development server. Okay, so here Flask help, no such option app. So why no such option? This is app. Why? Because I have run this and it's working fine. Let me check on the help options. Flask hyphen help. Okay, so export Flask. This is Flask run, routes run. I think on a, there is a, I think it's not working, but I think it should work because I have checked it and it's working fine. No such option slash slash app. Okay, I think might be it's not working in my latest version, but in my office it's working fine. So you can also check this one if it is working on your side or not. Okay, so these are the way that you can run a Flask application into your Python project. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.